Costbucket is an all-in-one point of sale, product costing, inventory management, and cost accounting business solution. We will review some features and functionality in general for all business types. Please note that the software is split in two between the cloud account, where the business manages all operations, and the Android POS, where sales are processed in-store or mobile. We start with the dashboard. At the core of Costbucket is the cost accounting module. All apps interact with cost accounting module for seamless centralized action and reporting. The line graph displays the number of sales transactions processed in the current month, and below you see the top products sold by quantity and percent of sales. When running a business, you need data to make decisions. The data analytics tool provides insight into customer, supplier, and product performance, including profitability analysis, inventory analysis, and a real-time sales forecast that updates while transactions are being processed. In addition, it includes filters to drill down and comparisons to see changes in trends from one period to the next. For example, sales last week in comparison to this week, or last week's sales of a specific product in comparison to this week's sales of that product. With Costbucket, you can automatically track the cost of making or assembling products. This example shows the cost of making a baked Dijon salmon without the kitchen overhead cost allocated, but the same could have been done, for example, a burger, a laptop, a 100-pound bag of rice that the business repackage into 5, 10, and 15-pound bags, or even track the cost and inventory of making candles, chemical products, or beer. This is achieved by setting up the products for costing purposes to track the purchases and calculate the unit cost. So, for example, a 16-ounce honey costing $9.92 costs $0.62 per ounce if using it as an ingredient in a meal, but if it were for resale in a store, then the cost would remain as $9.92. The inventory software will then differentiate between tracking the honey by the ounce or the whole container. When processing supplier invoices, you can throw away your Excel spreadsheet and benefit from Costbucket, calculating the shipment cost per product and adding it to the unit cost of the products. On completion, the software automatically updates the inventory quantity and price, which then recalculates the cost of making products if this is an option used in the business. Depending on the type of business, customers are sometimes given multiple options to select when ordering. These options are displayed in the cart with the additional price. The example shown here is for a restaurant, but the same could be done in another business type to use as an upsell option for the cashier to suggest items by the register that the customer may be interested in. Once the sale is processed, the invoice then syncs and is processed to the cloud. In addition, businesses have the option of using the built-in basic table management system, while waiters use the ordering app to send orders to the kitchen. Once the customer is complete, the server closes the order, and it is then transferred to the POS screen, where it displays on the online order screen till selected and processed. The summary sales are then available in the POS Analysis app, and reports are immediately available to view in the Data Analytics app. To view detailed product sales, click on the Cost Accounting app by selecting Detailed Reports on the left menu and choosing the required sales report. Then click on the required filters and publish the report. In addition, from the Detail Report page, you could select to view reports on inventory, purchases, assets, and customer and supplier reports, including profit and loss. Let us review some basic functionality in the POS using a retail store as a demo. The POS can be used both in-store or mobile on a tablet with a sales or delivery team. On the left menu, we have settings to view orders, configure the credit card machine or printer. In the center, we have the products for sale with the ability to view additional information, pan management restriction on staff's ability to change prices, provide discounts, remove products from the carts, or delete a cart. You can save orders, which then go to the shopping cart menu at the top, where you can then retrieve the order and add it back to the cart for processing. There are multiple payment options, including debit and credit card, gift card, credit sales displayed as pay later. Log a check payment reference number. The category and filter button is used to filter products by their grouping to allow faster manual search, but you can also type the product information into the search bar or use a barcode scanner. On the bottom right corner, there is a green button indicating that the POS is working online, and it changes to red if the internet is down, but the POS continues to process sales and automatically upload invoices when the internet returns.